Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the today's LeetCode Daily challenge. The question name is find minimum in rotated sorted array. Question says that suppose an array of length n sorted in ascending order is rotated between 1 and n times. For example, the array nums equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 might becomes 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2 if it was rotated 4 times, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again if it was rotated 7 times. Notice that the rotating an array a0, a1, a2, that's an minus n minus 1 times results the array an minus 1, a0, a1, a2, that's an minus 2. Given the sorted rotated array nums of unique elements, return the minimum element of this array. So you must write the algorithm in big O of log n time. So question says that we are provided one array that is rotated, sorted and rotated, and we have to find the minimum of out of this array. So for example, this array having minimum number 1, and in the second example the next array having the minimum number 0, and the third example the minimum number is 11. So output is 11, and our constraint is that the number of elements in nums is less than equal to 5000, and the question is strictly said that you must write the algorithm in big O of n times. So there might be one simple approach that we can just return the minimum of nums. We can use the just min function, and we can use min of nums that will return the minimum of the array. So it might run because the constraint allows us, but the question is not saying that you cannot use this function because it is working on big O of n time. So after submitting this, it might be accepted. Yeah, it is accepted and very fast because it is using minimum function, but we have to learn the logic how to work with the log n time. So for that we can use binary search. The binary search works why? Because the array is sorted, and if the pattern is sorted then we can use binary search easily. And for that we have to go through the 2 points left and right. Let's understand how binary search work here. So if the array is rotated multiple times, then there may be two situations, that the last element of the array is the smallest of and when the array is rotated any number of times, the array is divided into two segments, the left segment and right segments. And if the last element is smallest among the all elements of the left segment, that is the one scenario. And in the other scenario, that the last element of the second segment is the smallest among the all the other elements of the left segment. So in this way we can bifurcate this into two scenarios. Okay, so we have to return the minimum, so always the first element of the second segment would be the answer, that would be the minimum. So by using this technology or this technique, we can write the binary search. Let's take L equal to 0 and R equal to len of nums minus 1. That are the 2 points of the array. After that we can write while loop. While L is less than R, we always calculate mid equal to left plus right by 2, left plus right by 2. And after having mid, we will check the condition whether the nums of mid is less than nums of right. If it is true, then we will update our right equal to mid. Otherwise else we will update our left with m plus 1 or mid plus 1. Okay, after that we can just return the mid of nums of L. Now try to run that. There's one error. Okay, we have to return right len of nums minus. Run it again. It's running. Okay, it is accepted. It is working fine. So hope you understood this approach. It is a big of login because we have used binary search for this condition. One another approach that we can use, we can write it in a one line by using bisect left function. So in Python we can just write it into one line, nums of bisect left, and in this bisect left, we in the parameter of bisect left we will pass the complete whole array nums, and second parameter is true, and then the third parameter we will pass the key equal to lambda, and in our lambda function we will have a variable n, and n whether n is less than equal to nums of -1, that is the last element. So we are just using that approach that I have discussed earlier. Now try to run it again. Yeah, it is accepted. Try to submit that. Yeah, it is again accepted. So this question is very important, asked multiple times in many companies. So hope you understood that. Thank you for watching.